Bonita, the beautiful island, the greenest and most vertical of the 8. I live in these islands, so let me tell you why nature lovers fall hard for this place. La Palma is steep, lush and volcanic, a proper hiker's island. At its heart is the Caldera de Tabariente, an enormous eroded crater ringed by peaks, with waterfalls and pine forest and some of the best day hikes in Spain. In the north, the Los Tilos forest is a deep green tangle of laurel and giant ferns, and all across the island you'll find trails that most tourists never touch. But La Palma's real superpower is the sky. This is one of the best stargazing spots on the entire